If these navigation buttons in your Samsung phone does not work, then the first thing that we will do is we will put our phone into safe mode and then restart it again. So let me open the control center. Then I will tap on this power icon here, and then I will tap and hold on this power off button, and then tap on this safe mode. Now the phone will be restarted in safe mode. So once your phone starts in safe mode, then again we will open the notification panel, tap on this power icon here, and then restart your phone. Select restart. Now the next thing that we will do is we will go to settings, accessibility, go to installed apps, and in this list if you find applications such as password keeper or task auto input, then what you do is go to that particular application, and if you have enabled anything, just disable it. And once you do it, restart your phone and your navigation button should work now.